Hello again, Paul Douglas Dembowski from Liberty Street Software. In this video I'd like to talk about AssetManage reporting, and we're going to go over a couple of subjects. Let me start by running a report, and I'm going to run a grouped by location report. So you select run report using assets grouped by location. Let me just preview to show you what I want to talk about. Start, and you notice it has a list of all assets, and if the asset has a comment, it's showing the asset comment here. And we had a user who wants to get rid of the comments, and so I'm going to tell you how to do that and a couple other related things. So I'll close the print preview. Now to edit the report that's shown by the assets group by location, I'm going to select reporting, edit report, and there's assets by location.lst. Now, first of all, let me edit the report, and I double clicked on it, and you see here the header line just shows what text shows at the top, the field name for each column in the report. The data line column or tab shows what data shows up, and this is the data that shows up on the first line, and this is the data that can potentially show up on the second line. Now when I say potentially, what you can do in the report designer is I'm going to click on the comments line, and you see here there's an appearance condition, and the way it's set is assets, it only shows this line if the comments are non-empty, which is obviously desirable. You don't want to see a blank line after every item. So if asset comment is not empty, then show it. So that's why it shows for items, some of the items. Now if I want to get rid of the comment section altogether, all I got to do is click on this and hit X, and that's going to delete it, and it's not going to ever show comments. If I want to, I noticed the font was a little bit too big, so another thing I can do is change the font that shows. Right now it's set to Arial 12. Let me go ahead and change that down to, put that down to Arial 10. Actually, Verdana may be better. Make it Verdana 10. And the color is set to black. Let's say I want to show a different color for comments. Let's say I want to show, let me just make it, just make it red. Click OK. And now what's going to happen, let me save the report. Now I'm saving this report, and it's the default report for the program. So if you want to create a separate report, you could save it under a different name. Actually, let me go ahead and do that. I'll say File, Save As, Assets by Location 2, Save. Now I'm going to exit the report designer. So I'm back in the main window, and now I'm going to run the newly created report. So right mouse click again, select, this time I'm going to select output report using, that's how you run a report, a custom report. And I'm going to select assets by location 2. Let me just preview it again. And as you can see now, the comments are in red, and they're in the Verdana font, which looks a little bit better. I could obviously improve that some more. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.